Hello friends, welcome back to the Ice and Share channel. In this video, I will show you several ways to check if an app is 32-bit or 64-bit on Windows 10 11s. Way 1. Check if an app is 32-bit or 64-bit via Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Then click More Details. Go to the Details tab. Right-click the column header, and click on Select Columns. Then find and check the platform option. Hit the OK button. Well, now you can check if a particular app is 32-bit or 64-bit from the platform column. Way to check if an app is 32-bit or 64-bit via Compatibility. Right-click on the app and select Properties. On the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Check the option, Run this program in compatibility mode for. Click on the drop-down list. If your list commences with Windows Vista, then your app is 64-bit. If the list commences with Windows 95, then your app is 32-bit. Way 3. Check if an app is 32-bit or 64-bit via File Explorer. Open File Explorer and go to your OS drive. If the application is installed in the Program Files folder, then it is 64-bit. If it is in Program Files, x86 folder, the app is 32-bit. You can open each folder to have a check. You should pay attention to this notice. Way 4. Check if an app is 32-bit or 64-bit via About or Help menu. This method can only apply to some apps, such as Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and head to its Help page. Now you can see its version number, and whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.